Continue. Number 3, asking non-Jew to lower a flame. It is permitted to ask non-Jew to lower or extinguish the flame for any of Yom Tov related purposes, including that one does not involve food preparation. For example, a room is too hot due to the gas flame, or if it is flame too high for cooking purposes. Okay, so it's very interesting. We can ask a non-Jew to lower the flame or even extinguish for the sake of the Yom Tov. So if it's too hot, right? If it's too hot, so you can ask them to shut off the stove. Very interesting. Okay. Or the flame is too hot for cooking purposes, so technically you can do it yourself, or you can ask them. There is no problem. One may ask non-Jew to extinguish or lower it. Okay, no problem. So you can ask directly. Similarly, if one forgot to shut a bedroom light before Yom Tov, one may ask non-Jew to turn it off. Okay. One may not, however, ask a non-Jew to extinguish flame simply to conserve the fuel or prevent its waste. So that's too much. We're not allowed. It's not for the sake of the Yom Tov. When you are too hot, yes, it's for the sake of Yom Tov. When you're afraid that it can go in flame, yes, it is for the sake of Yom Tov. Right. So, and as I said, there are a few people are like that, and they would burn light the candles in a sink because they're afraid. So I told them get a tray, like metal tray, like a bigger one, with the sides. So even if the candle is going to fall, it's going to fall on a tray. But if you buy good candles and good candle holders, nothing is going to it's very, very, very unlikely that something is going to fall. Okay.